Welcome to Flower Juice. My name's John McDonald, and today I'm going to show you a really simple arrangement with Valentines in mind. Now, when I first started out in floristry, there was a real fashion for packaging, really fancy packaging for Valentines, and we had these acetate tubes. So I'm taking that as my inspiration. Today we're going to use this beautiful glass cylinder container. So to get our flowers in here, I'm going to use a little piece of wet floral foam that we've already soaked. And traditionally with Valentine arrangements, we're talking roses and gypsophilia. So we've got a couple of roses and we've got some gypsophilia. And I've got a little touch of greenery. I've got some aspidistra that we're going to use to cover the Oasis. And I've got a little bit of eucalyptus because I just liked it. So we're going to take our gypsophilia and we're going to use it to base the top of our piece of foam. So I'm just cutting this into little units and popping them in. And this is dead easy with the gypsophilia. You can break this down into lots of lovely little segments. I think it's interesting maybe to see the gypsophilia used in a different way. So often you just see either too much of it all in one place or just used as a stem. And it's nice, but it's nice to do something different with it. So I slightly sculpted this bit of foam to fit, made sure it fits, but to be honest, we don't need to be too fussy, and it doesn't matter if it's not round, as long as it fits in the container without being too tight to the sides. So all I've done is I've just put our foam there with the gypsophilia on top. So now I'm going to add a couple of bits of the eucalyptus just now, and this will just be easier. And then for our aspidistra, what I want to do is put it into the foam and then bring it round, and then with this one I want to go underneath so that really we're hiding that end and we're keeping the point. So I've just made two little hairpins with wire, and we're just using that just to pin that in. So we've created a little unit. Now, we need to drop this in. And this is where it helps if you've got a long arm. So that's our unit into our container. And now we can look at our roses. So I've got some beautiful roses here. And I wanted to pick two because normally with Valentine's you're talking about two people. So I think the two is quite significant. So we just need to clear these up. So they've got a lot of greenery on them. And really we can just pop this in now exactly where we want it to be. And I want to make sure that that stem goes right down to the base. Perfect. And then just to finish, we can do some decor with some ribbon. So I'm just going to use this nice roll ribbon. So it depends what you want to do with this. If you're going to use it as a table arrangement, you might not want to use ribbon in such a way because then you see the join. But it depends where you're going to put it. But there you go, it's as simple as that. A simple Valentine's arrangement. Couple of roses, doesn't need lots of material, but hopefully quite effective. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed today's video, then if you click here, you can subscribe and keep up to date with all our videos. Thank you.